Hello children, welcome to all. This is our 11th session. In this session we are going to learn a new chapter that is called Math Class and its Methods. By putting the title, a lot of question marks raises. The first question mark is what is the math class, and inside what and all the methods it contains, and what is the use of this math class, and how to use inbuilt methods, already created methods of math class in our various applications. Like this, various questions raises in our mind. So to give clarity about all this, you can see on the screen. So we are going to discuss about the math class. The first question mark is what is math class? Let me tell. A math class means it is one of the inbuilt class. It is already created class. Once you install the Java software, along with that, various inbuilt classes will be stored in default drive, that is a C drive. In that it will store. So in that, one of the inbuilt class is math class. So a math class is one of the inbuilt class which is stored in java.lang package. So java.lang is one of the package. So in this package it has been stored, and which holds various inbuilt various methods, and that methods are useful to do the mathematical calculations in various user defined applications. For that sake we use math class. So once again let me tell, a math class is a default class or inbuilt class which is inside of java.lang package, and in this class various methods has been stored, and that methods are used to do mathematical calculations in user defined applications. That means in our applications we are going to use that methods. Right, so we got what is the meaning of math class. After knowing the math class, then what and all the methods are there in this class? What and all the methods are there? After listing all the methods, which all the methods are there in our syllabus? That is also another question. And afterwards, in next session, in 12th session, we will discuss how to use that particular methods. So in this session we are going to see what and all the list of methods of math class, and what and all there in our syllabus, and its uses we will discuss. Right, now math class. How can view the math class? Means there is a procedure to view the math class. So go to the C drive, now in C drive open J2SDK, Java 2 Standard Development Kit. In the name of that one folder you can find out. Open that. In that various folders you can find out, like bin, you can find out in the name of JRE one folder, in the name of lib one folder. Like this various folders you can find out. In that, open in the name of src one zip file you can find out. So open this particular file. Open the particular file, that is src. Once you open the src, again one more window will open. In that window you will find out a folder called Java. Double click that Java folder. Again one more window will open. In that you please open lang. In the name of lang one folder you can find out. Double click that. In that lot of inbuilt classes you can find out. In that inbuilt classes, one of the classes math class. So this is the criteria. Go to C drive and open J2SDK, and in that list open src zip file, and new window will open. In that open the Java folder. Again open the lang folder. In that you will find out math class. So let me see the same criteria. So open the window button. So in that open the my computers. So when you open my computers, especially C drive, when you open, so in this we install two JDK softwares, but advanced version I am opening J 1.4.0. So when you open this, already two lot of folders you can find out, bin, lib, jre, like this, but we need src folder zip file we need to open. Once you open, a new window has been opened. In this we need to open Java folder. Open Java. In this lang Java, after lang we need to open the lang. In this various inbuilt classes you can find out. In this list somewhere you will find out in the name of math. You can see here math, this is the class. But once you double click that, inside of that math class various inbuilt methods are there, but that methods we can't able to view if it is open in default editor. The default text editor is a notepad, so that when you double click this it will open in notepad. You can view now. Yeah, see here, it is opened in Notepad. Notepad, we can't able to read the data properly. Then how can view the data properly? Means there is another way to open the math class. What is the other way? Means open in command prompt. So let me open in command prompt. So command prompt is in search button. You just type CMD. This is the shortcut to open. So open the command prompt. After opening the command prompt, maximize, and some strange data is there. To clear that, use a command that is CLS. Then the whole data will delete. Now to open the math class, we need to apply a command javap, JAVAP. JAVAP stands for Java package. So we are opening the package now. Go to Java folder, java.lang. Inside of lang, the math class has been stored. So java.lang.math. M must be capital letter. Every inbuilt class starts with uppercase letter only. So math. Now all the inbuilt methods of math class has been viewed. So this is the exact representation of math class inside of that lang package. But they are in very small font. So if we want to increase the font, there is no such procedure in command prompt. Then how can we see in larger font? Means select this data. How to select? Means right click and click on select all. Then the data has been copied. Then selected. Then how to copy? Means generally shortcut is Control C, copy. But here Control C will not work in command prompt. Then which is the shortcut? Shortcut is just enter. Press enter, then the data will copy. So data is copied, then close it, then go to command prompt. I'm opening the command prompt. In command prompt, I want to display the data here. Then press Ctrl V. Then the whole class has been displayed on the screen. This is all the list of functions of math class. But in math class, we don't want to. There are two variables you can find out, two attributes, that is E and Pi. E holds exponential value, which is not part of our syllabus, so that you can delete that one. So I deleted. But pi is the part of our syllabus. So pi is the part of our syllabus, that is pi. Math.pi. Pi is a value. Generally we use pi value is a 3.14 as terminating decimal, but originally the pi value is non-terminating non-recurring decimal. We call it as non-terminating non-recurring decimal. The non-terminating non-recurring decimal of pi value is 3.1415946 and so on. That is a huge value. But we don't want to remember. When you use math.pi in the place of 3.14, the exact value will be substituted in the program. For that sake, we need to use. But sine, cos, tan, a sine, a cos, a tan, 2 radians, 2 degrees, expression, long, IEEE, these functions and all not part of our syllabus. They are not part of our syllabus, so that I am deleting all this. But SQRT is part of our syllabus, so we need to discuss. But IEEE, this is not part of our syllabus, so I am deleting this one also. And at last, one more function also we need to delete it, that is A tan 2. This also not part of our syllabus, so that I am deleting even that one. Then rest of all the functions are part of our syllabus. You can see the first one is SQRT. The purpose of SQRT is, now I'm speaking about the purpose of each method of math class. Method is also called function. So list of functions are there. All these functions purpose I'm speaking. The first one is SQRT. SQRT purpose is to find out the square root. Seal purpose is to display whatever the number if you define in decimal form, it's a next integer will display. For example, 2.5 if you input, then it will display as 3, the next integer. Floor purpose is to display the previous integer of given number. For example, 2.7, when you give 2.7 before integer is 2, so that we will get it 2. Rint purpose is a round integer, it will round to the next integer. POW is a power calculation. Round and rint both are same, but rint can do only double value to receive, but a float can receive in two formats, floated and double data. And the rest of 3 more functions we need to learn. One is ABS, another one is a max and min. ABS purpose is to display the absolute value. Absolute value means if it is negative, it will display in positive format. Max purpose is to compare two numbers in that whichever the biggest, that will be displayed on the screen. Min purpose is whichever the smallest, that will be displayed on the screen. So like this, these all functions we need to learn. So in session 11, we will use all these functions. So thank you. We'll end up this session. Thank you. Thank you.